Welcome to AI Tech Beat, a channel dedicated to bringing you the best products, devices, tools, and gadgets that bring ambiance and professionalism into your life. Imagine having a personal coach on your wrist, tracking your every move, analyzing your performance, and helping you recover faster. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's happening right now with AI-powered wearables. From tracking heart rate and sleep patterns to preventing injuries and optimizing recovery, AI wearables are changing the game for athletes at every level. Let's dive into how these smart devices are helping athletes train smarter, recover faster, and perform better than ever before. AI wearables are more than just fitness trackers. They are intelligent performance monitors designed to give real-time insights into your body's limits and strengths, heart rate and stress levels, helping athletes manage exertion, muscle fatigue and strain, preventing overtraining injuries, sleep quality, ensuring proper recovery, hydration and nutrition needs, keeping the body in top condition. Gone are the days of guesswork in training. AI wearables bring data-driven precision to an athlete's routine. Athletes no longer need to wait until after training to analyze their performance. AI wearables provide instant feedback to help adjust workouts on the fly. These smart devices use collected data to create customized training regimens, focusing on an athlete's unique strengths and weaknesses. Teams use wearable data to fine-tune game strategies, monitor player fatigue, and even predict injuries before they happen. Athletes train hard, but how they recover is just as important. AI wearables detect early signs of overexertion, reducing the risk of muscle strains and chronic injuries. Devices track sleep cycles, ensuring deep rest for muscle repair and overall performance boost. Some advanced wearables track hydration levels and even suggest personalized nutrition plans to help athletes stay in peak condition. Athletes and teams are now using AI-powered analytics to gain game-changing insights into performance. AI wearables capture everything from how fast you sprint to how efficiently you move. Teams analyze data to understand player strengths and weaknesses, fine-tune strategies, and make smarter decisions during matches. Imagine knowing exactly how you'll perform before a game. AI can predict peak performance windows and highlight recovery needs. Looking for the best AI wearable to boost your training and recovery? Here are some top picks. Whoop Strap 4.0 is perfect for endurance athletes, offering continuous heart rate and recovery monitoring. The Oura Ring 4 excels in sleep tracking and stress management, ideal for recovery optimization. And for runners and cyclists, the Garmin Forerunner 245 provides GPS tracking and training insights. While AI wearables are revolutionizing sports, there are some challenges to consider. Athletes need to know their performance data is protected. Wearables should seamlessly sync with existing coaching tools. Expect smaller, smarter, and more personalized wearables in the coming years. Imagine a future where AI wearables can detect injuries before they happen, suggest perfect recovery strategies, and even customize workout plans in real time. If you're serious about training smarter, recovering faster, and performing at your best, investing in an AI-powered wearable is a game-changer. Ready to take your performance to the next level? Check out the latest AI wearables and start optimizing your training today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cutting-edge sports tech insights. See you in the next video.